Alright guys, so making a video to show the guy I'm going to be trading this with, the bike. It's done me well over the years, like year and a half I had it. I'll show you the pieces that I told you about. So, I got a replacement speedo for this guy. The tack still, like the odometer still works, but the speedo doesn't. The gear inside broke. I guess that's what you get for a cheapo one. It's basically all complete. Excuse my BlackBerry video, it's pretty crappy. Wasn't prepared for it. But it was plated, as you can see. This is the plastic I was telling you about. It's just like a little weird triangle piece that covers it. It goes there and then down and over. Battery compartment, I got a new reciprocator, I think it's called. But it just regulates the voltage because it is a 6-volt system. Kickstart only. It still starts without a battery. I went and got OEM replicas of the turn signals, the brake light. They are European style. That's the only one I could find. I can't find any American style. Same with the mirrors. Try to get as close as I can to original. Alrighty, so let's start this bad boy. You see I got the fan going. I don't want to die from carbon monoxide. Wouldn't be a good thing. Yeah, that's about it. It's pretty straightforward. It's oil injected 2-stroke. You just top this up, which I have a bottle and a half of oil for this guy that I'll give to him. When I bought the bike, it didn't have a seat latch, but you could just easily use like a bolt or something to hold it down. Yeah. Has a brand new chain because the other one was pretty spent. For the year, I don't think it's too bad. I mean, you could go all out and do what you gotta do to put it back together, but as it stands, it's rideable. I've been riding it on the road, half with the battery, half without, so yeah.